Yeah, it's going to be a huge challenge. Many African Americans have long-standing distrust of doctors and medicine. Nevertheless, a local small-town metro mayor wants to encourage people to roll up their sleeves, take the vaccine that could end this pandemic that has already killed a disproportionate number of blacks.
I will take the vaccine at some point.
While Jackson Mayor Chokwe Antre Lumumba may be ready to roll up his sleeves to take the COVID-19 vaccine, many African Americans are skeptical. According to a recent Pew Research Center study, only 42% of blacks would consider taking the vaccine, compared with 61% of whites and 63% of Hispanics. In Mississippi, blacks make up 45% of those killed by COVID-19, while they comprise 37% of the state's population.
Those that are just that are uninsured and therefore don't have a routine practice of going to a physician. And so all of those things have to be considered.
Nothing is 100% safe, but I do feel that this is every bit of 90 plus.
Edwards Mayor Marcus Wallace ended up in the hospital with pneumonia after he contracted COVID.
I have another friend who has a daughter who's 25 years old, and she's in the hospital clinging to her life.
Wallace says young African Americans he speaks with believe the vaccine is unsafe, some because of what may be social media conspiracy theories about vaccine side effects.
This vaccine has been tested by the experts. It has been certified by several physicians.
Many blacks also have long-standing distrust of doctors and medicine. One fear may be they could be used as guinea pigs, as in the infamous Tuskegee syphilis experiment. That was a 40-year federal government and CDC experiment where blacks in Alabama with syphilis were left untreated. Researchers wanted to see how the disease progressed without treatment.
You know, hopefully we will overcome all of that because we have, as a race, been treated secondary in a lot of cases.
Now, Mayor Wallace says he plans to roll up his sleeve and take the vaccine when it becomes available. He says he wouldn't mind joining the state health department's public campaign also to encourage people that it's the best thing to do. Live in South Jackson, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT.